Hi guys, it's Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm super excited to open my second Midnight Muse box. This is for the month of June. Midnight Muse is another offering from the same people who make Sugar Muses. Looks like illumination and protection. I don't read this until after I'm done, so let's set it aside. A beautiful art. It's like a zodiac. I love these. I love these. And I repurposed the envelopes too, so thank you, Christy. I love this thing. Oh, Queen of Skulls. I am not sure what skulls are. Maybe pentacles? I don't know. I'll have to check, but this is a tarot card. I imagine it's mindfully drawn just for me. This smells amazing.
How did you start it yet? Close it back up.
Oh, no. What do you mean?
I can't find his shoes.
This is real life, guys.
You won't find it.
Let's go, Kenny. Let's go play.
Go play, guys. Anyway, sorry about that interruption. So, here's her card. Baby, it's fine. Just put his sandals on.
You have to find them.
This is incense. It smells very citrusy. This is a lovely little... Oh, I lost a dilly bell. It's like a sachet. I think it's got cedar, roses. I'm not sure what these yellow things are, and some other petals, and a stone in there. It smells also very much like cedar with some other maybe woodsy or floral notes. Very pretty. I love those sachets. So this is it's a spell scroll. She puts these occasionally into stuff. Very cool. It looks like it's a protection spell. I mean, she puts them occasionally into her boxes. Not stiff. Okay. Midnight Muses Summer Solstice, June 2019. It smells like delicious, delicious beeswax. And it's got like a little information. Let's see what we got here. Midnight Muses Solstice Ritual Oil. Smells very, I would say citrus and like spice, maybe clove. I don't know. Let's see. It's also got some floaties. Looks like some kind of citrus rind. So that smells delicious. Oh, what do we got here? This guy. I'm going to try to open it without breaking it. Because I have done that in the past with a box of items and it made me really, really sad. This is a raven. I saw one when we were camping too. Big, big one. Oh, cute. She's going to make this little vial thing she's gonna make these little vials a thing, and honestly I'm collecting them because they're cute and I think they look really nice in my my cupboard, my witch's cupboard. Lord, I cannot get them out. I know you can't see it on screen because I'm not showing you my struggle, but it's sticking to the damn inside of this thing. Okay, so black salts, flour blend, casting salts. They're pretty cool. You can't see out the window. I wish you could because my son is getting his little butt chased by a goose and the goose is winning. Hilarious. cranberry orange organic tea, and the jewelry in a beautiful box. Ah. Oh, I should have showed you. It was on a little bed of moss, which I really love that detail. Protection, defense against harm. And then it's got this really cool. This reminds me of the Christopher Penczak or Pesnak or something like that pendants that Witch's Moon sometimes has. So I'm gonna have to read about who made this. So let's move everything front and center so you can see it all. I'm trying to make sure you got a good view. Bobo, deja eso. Stop, Bobo. Or do one of the dogs is whining. Okay. Midnight Muses June 2019. Illumination and protection. When composing a spell, one of the elements to consider is an external energy source. A spell can, of course, be cast with strong visualization and one's own personal power, but the spell is more likely to be successful when energies are utilized from an outside source. This month, during the summer solstice, we seek to harness the sun's strength for illumination, manifestation, and protection. The sun is the source of our power on this planet, and the summertime is one of growth. It is time for goal setting and massive action. The sun is the center of our solar system, and it is the center of manifestation and illumination. We can harness its power. Stop. We can harness its power to fuel our spells and rituals and charge them, amplifying them and making them stronger. Along with a surge of energy is the importance of protection while working with this magic. So, basically there's a ritual here. I guess I'll have to read through the whole thing. I really like when it's listed separate from the ritual, but I guess it's all here. Oh my god, hold on one second. That has got to be some sort of record, because that is like the 4th time I've had to pause this video and start again. Anyway, citrus incense sticks, casting salts, which are these little ones here, black salt, which is the first one, solstice ritual oil, almond oil, orange peel, lemon, and orange essential oils. There was no spice, but I thought I smelled spice. Anyway, the solstice candle, the golden aura. Oh, it's a spell bag. Golden aura tumbled gemstone represents warmth, self-empowerment, cycle of regeneration, and power. The golden aura quartz. Use the golden aura quartz to bring the magic and the power of the gold ray and the summer solstice. Use it with the flower blend spell vial. I love this way it smells, which is this middle one. Okay, second page. The flowers in your glass vial are hibiscus, which promotes self-love and is used in divination and dream magic. Calendula encourages prophetic dreams and offers protection while sleeping. Pearly everlasting promotes health, safety, and longevity. Your spell bag can be placed near you at night to promote protection and to illuminate the answers you seek through prophetic dreams. Okay. The raven statue can be placed on your altar or in a special spot to watch over and protect your space. What else? Cranberry orange organic tea. An intuitively drawn tarot card. It's from the Tarot of the Vampires. A protection pendant, handmade in the USA. It can be charged before worn. In order to do this effectively, take the amulet into your hands while meditating. There's more instructions. Book of Shadows art print. And then just basically a note from her. So, pretty cool. I like this box more than the last box. But I am a Leo, and so the sun is super attractive to me. I know a lot of people thought this was hokey, but I really like this. And I'm collecting them because I do like the aesthetic too. I mean, of course, we all know that we have a giant, big, enormous thing of salt. But the aesthetic is still really pleasing and really makes me happy, and that's worth something. I love these. These are pretty cool. This ritual oil, I'm gonna have to compare it to the one I got from Midnight Muses last year, which was Del Sol, and it smells really similar, but I think that one might have had more grapefruit, and this one definitely is more sweet citrus. I love these. This smells great. This little raven, I'm not super sure what I'm gonna do with him, but he's definitely cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. So sorry about the interruptions. It makes me want to pull my hair out. But I think it's fun when things don't go according to plan because it keeps you on your toes. So hopefully the editing of this video doesn't look like a hot mess. I look forward to your feedback. I know that this box has been really interesting and on a lot of people's watch list, so I'm glad to share this information with you. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe. I really am looking forward to my 500 subscriber giveaway, which should be happening soon, but you never know because I've been going up and down. But I will remind you guys that my Sugar Muse video got over 1,000 views, so I should be getting 2 boxes this month for a giveaway. So stay tuned for that giveaway. A lot of people want to try Sugar Muses, and I love them very much. It'll be a deluxe Muse box, so stay tuned. That's a huge value, and some lucky person who loves watching my channel is going to win it. Thank you guys. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye.